Good morning, everybody. How are y'all doing? I found, yesterday I was going to pick up the kids in the Jeep. I found a little dryer. I threw it on the back. This was the top of it. Took that dude apart, and all it had in it was bobby pins, you know, and lint. And the motor was aluminum, so, but it's still fun to take those apart. I found quite a bit of cool stuff in there, and change, and one jar I found over $20 in change one time, and another jar I found a gold little pendant, and I sold it for, took it to the scrap jewel, sold it scrap gold, and there's like $20, I think. Heck, I can't really remember. I got a video about it. All right, now let's go see if we can add to this little load I got going on here. Go pick up Matt. See what we can get into. Make us some money or something. All right, see y'all. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell y'all, I need to get a new dash cluster. It's reading 16 miles on my truck. And it's been stuck like that forever. And now the gas gauge is stuck on full. So I think it's my dash cluster. Before that, it was reading error on the miles, and I disconnected the battery cables and hooked it back up, and it started working for a second, and I got excited. But then it's back down to 16 miles. So I've just been filling up a lot more than usual because I don't want to run out of gas. But anyways, let's see if we can find some goodies. Well, I found something here at the dump. That's what I'm gonna start calling these dumps. There's nothing exciting, but we're gonna take it. Right there. Let's do our part. Pick up a couple little things. That's bad. I think raccoons and stuff are the main problem. Look, there's a Spider-Man right there. Yeah. Besides him being out here in the trash, ain't really a whole lot wrong with him. Woo! Half a penny. We'll save Spider-Man. Bicycle. Matt, there was a vacuum cleaner here with it last night. Matt grabbed he was in his car, or his Blazer, and he grabbed the vacuum cleaner. He couldn't get this in there, so it's scrap. Pretty nice bike. Chains off of it though. All right, let's go. Oh yeah, heavy stuff right here. Heavy, heavy. Whew. That's all I want to get in that thing. Matt dug him out a chandelier. Uh-oh, there's something else down in there. That's it. Well, no, I'm just gonna put that down. I guess I can get out. Let y'all see what's going on, I guess. Oh, he broke that off, didn't you? Cool. There's something right here. Let's go over there and see what all that business is right there. Yeah, I won't mess with that. Y'all see anything? There's a piece of metal. Nothing. Oh, I see something down in there. Right there. Y'all see it? We struck gold. Matt would have jumped in over this one. I'm not going to though. May have to though, because it's on the carpet. We'll have to get in.
Who's getting in?
There you go.
No.
No. Yeah, what all we got in here, Bill? Maybe, huh? There we go. Sure there ain't nothing else in here. Cool. That's not what I wanted to do. That's what I wanted to do. Spotted a barbecue grill. That one's kind of looks fancy from here, but it's missing some knobs, it looks like. Yeah, approached. Leave it. Looks good. Vacuum. Yeah, did you get one too?
Yeah, I'll throw it back truck.
When I'm throwing out scrap, is that like woo?
I found the nickel.
Looks like Matt's getting a bunch of wires out of there. I'm on that heel dumpster. So, uh-oh, he's going in, folks. Oh, he's belly flopping in. Where I'm at, I really don't like to get out of the truck. And I ain't got a lot of cords. That's cool. bunch of low grade, but it's cords. It's copper. I'll let you know if he pulls it out. He's sticking his hand in. Let's put her in park. Matt didn't put the brake on for me. Got excited. Oh man, I got light bulbs. We got cans. Look around a little bit, see if there's anything more. Pretty nasty, isn't it, guys? Let's get out of here. That's all I'm looking. Matt says, hold on. Holy crap, a bicycle chain. Me and Matt said we was going to drive around until we found one more thing before we go to the junkyard. We got it. Christmas tree. That's all one big piece. How you doing?
I hope y'all ain't throwing shit out up here.
No, we ain't throwing shit out. We're looking for shit.
Okay.
Because people... Yeah, we got all scrap metal, so yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, people dump a lot of stuff, and I do YouTube videos about it and stuff, so.
Oh, do you?
Well, about scrapping and whatnot.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's what we're out doing. One day we was down here and I was kicking around about right here he's at, and there was a catalytic converter buried. I just seen a piece of metal and I kicked it up.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so. They dump all.
This is kind of one of them areas they usually
Yeah, no, that was here.
Yeah.
New since we got here, and yeah, I come to, I mean, you can check out my videos. YouCoontsseeme is the name of my channel.
What is it? You can't see me?
YouCoontsseeme, this one right here. If I had another sticker, I'd give it to you, but yeah. Yeah.
What do you talk about on them and stuff?
Yeah.
Just
At the junkyard. See if we can get a few dollars. Empty the truck is the most important thing, though. Or we can have a fresh start. So. Oh, that probably worked. Aluminum there, I can tell. More cutters. There's Scrappy's rabbit ears he was wanting. I just save that whole thing, process it later. It's got brass on it, so. That's a cockroach den. Oh, gosh. What? What was it?
There's the Florida scrapper guy.
Yeah. Oh, shark scrapper. Look, shark scrapper. He likes when you throw grills. That's it. Let's get out of here. Get us a few dollars. Look, we unloaded, and when we came back, there's a big sign on the window that says lunch. Alrighty, guys. All done. It wasn't much, but it was $23.10. So, found some copper and brass. Had a little bit of fun. Still early in the day, so hope y'all enjoyed the little show. Anyways, have a good one. See you on the next one. Okay, guys, still the same day. I took my $11 that I made from the scrapyard, because me and Matt half everything when we take stuff in together. And I went to a junk shop with the wife, and I've been eyeballing this brass bed for a long time there, and they had it marked down to $10. I usually don't try not to buy too much scrap if I can, but that is most definitely brass. I mean, this part right here is steel, but the rest of it is brass, so I'd say that's a well over $10 in brass. Actually, it was $10.90 plus it was a little tax in there, so I'll take that apart. I just threw it back here and the guy looked at me funny. I was like, wow. Yeah, we'll take this dude apart. I mean, there's metal bits in there, but it's mainly all brass, which is really cool. Old bed. It's gonna make me some money though. I figured I'd share that with y'all. So every once in a while, like on yard sales and stuff, you can, I mean, y'all probably know this, but you can find brass pretty cheap. Quarter for a pound of brass, you know, stuff like that. So do that from time to time. Anyways, that's all I wanted to say. Y'all guys are awesome. Love y'all. See you on the next one.